In C# Windows Forms applications, you can use various classes in the system namespace to retrieve system information. On the next slides we see some very useful of them. Remember to handle exceptions appropriately, especially when accessing system resources. Always test your code thoroughly on different environments to ensure compatibility. 1. Environment class. The environment class provides information about the current environment, including operating system details. 2. System information class. The system information class provides information about the system, such as screen resolution and working area. 3. Management Object Searcher class, WMI. You can use the Management Object Searcher class to query system information using Windows Management Instrumentation, WMI. 4. Registry class. You can read system information from the Windows registry. Be cautious when working with the registry to avoid unintended consequences. 5. Performance Counter class. Use the Performance Counter class to retrieve performance-related information. You can see how easy it is to read and use data from your own system using one of the classes from the system namespace. Now begins your part. Set up a Visual Studio project and check out what you just learned. If you have further questions or suggestions on this or any other topic, feel free to write them in the comments. Thank you for watching. Feel free to leave a comment with ideas, wishes, or improvements for further content. If you like my videos, I would be happy about a like for the video. If you want to support me further and not miss any videos, just subscribe to my channel.